Come in a little bit.
Okay, I don't want to move anything, but it's not way off. Right?
No.
I didn't want it to be like this because I'm also measuring the height as well as the angle.
Yeah, no, it's...
And then, what else is it ask me? We're going to see the angle. And then I want to make sure, so I'm going to cut it straight up here, and what I'll do, we'll put another beam across, 2x4 across here, and we'll bolt them into both of them. Okay.
So that's where it's going to be, right? Start. Of course, that's as far as it can go against the wall.
Still perfect.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
The beginning of the staircase begins there.
Only attach the steps to that one before we put it up. You think?
No, that one, I just kind of, so this is what the step will look like.
Okay.
Okay,
That looks
it's gonna
good.
come. Well, this is the very first step on the bridge to nowhere. No, I mean the staircase. The staircase ladder to the storage area in Nottingham and Nottingham.
Okay.
This is Ulrich, and he's putting in the
Hi, Ulrich.
the right side and left side. So we'll see which one you'll be walking on.
All right. Cool. Okay, over and out.
I missed it.
Wow. We go shopping and we come back and we get a staircase.
Here, I bought you one. Grab one. Okay, this is the one you got.
Yeah. What is it?
The shorter bit, the shorter stick.
Melanie's the first person to walk up the step. All right, Melanie.
How you feeling right now? What's your sense?
Does it seem sturdy? Hey, where's the rail? Yeah,
Where's the rail?
Okay, but there will be a rail. Cool.
Why are you carrying stuff while you're adding to the weight?
Because that's what we got. Oh, that's. Yay, Melanie's on top. Great, you guys did a great job. Congratulations.
I'm just throw some glue on the edge. I might take care of some of that little problem.
It looks nice.
It does look nice. You guys did a great job. Congratulations.
Hey Mom, you're gonna like it.